Hey guys, it's Phaedra from allthingsphaedra.com, and guess where I am? I've got my credentials. I am at the Los Angeles Auto Show, which it's been kind of a dream of mine to check out this show. This is one of the major shows in North America. Next stop, Tokyo. A girl can dream, right? But I'm here to see a lot of new things, a lot of cool things. What I really want to focus on right now are the cars to watch in 2019. So check out some of my favorites and stay tuned for the end where I show you some crazy cars just for fun. Did you see something you liked? Something that floated your boat? Something that got you excited? Something that you're ready to buy in 2019? Are you whipping out your checkbook right now? Do you still use a checkbook? Are you going to put that $1,000 deposit down on the Rivian? Tell me what you saw that you liked. Tell me what I didn't show you. Maybe I'll catch it at the next auto show. And while you're at it, why don't you leave me a little like, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see all my great videos just like this. Until next time, see you.